Hi y'all. I'm sitting outside a little deli, grocery, liquor store. Uh, Got a breakfast burrito waiting for me, but I also thought I'd try some super coffee. Let's see how it tastes. There we go. It's okay. It's tastes like milk and cinnamon roll and a little bit of the plant protein chalkiness. The important part is the 200 milligrams of caffeine that'll kick in at some point. 80 calories per bottle, 10 grams of protein. So, could have skipped my breakfast burrito, but I'm not going to. So, quick review of super coffee. It's okay if you can handle the chalkiness.